Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your system and keyboard model and why that matters. Drivers and firmware controls differ. Plug in or pair the keyboard now, open its companion app or OS sound settings, and locate the keystroke or system sound section. Once done, export or copy any existing profiles so you can revert. This prevents lost settings. You'll need admin rights for drivers or firmware changes, so make sure you have permission and close background audio apps before proceeding. You now dive into the main adjustments. Set volume, pitch, and decay. Those three control loudness, tone, and tail. If the app allows, import a short WAV or MP3 or pick a synthesized tone. Shorter samples reduce latency. Once chosen, tweak per profile layers so gaming and typing use different sound sets, and test latency by typing at normal speed. If the software offers equalization or reverb, apply lightly. Too much masks keystrokes and increases CPU usage. Finish by saving and exporting your profiles and enabling auto-load on startup so settings persist. You should test across multiple apps and watch for latency. If you detect delay, reduce sample length or increase buffer size in the audio settings. Make sure firmware is updated, and once satisfied, document the settings you used. If things go wrong, try a clean driver reinstall, hardware reset, or temporarily disable audio effects. Often that restores normal behavior without losing your custom sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.